What's the meaning of antiques? Antiques. 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 Antiques.
Antiques refer to objects that are old and valuable, typically more than 100 years old. These objects are often collected and appreciated for their historical significance, artistic beauty, or rarity. Antiques can include furniture, paintings, sculptures, jewelry, books, and many other types of objects. They are generally considered to have a high level of craftsmanship and quality that is difficult to find in contemporary objects. The preservation and trade of antiques is an important part of cultural heritage and history, providing a glimpse into the past and offering a connection to our ancestors.